Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 8, and in this video I'll explain to you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock pattern. In such case, the best solution for you would be to take your time and remember the pattern you entered last time to access your device. If this pattern doesn't work, then the other thing you might consider doing is to contact the Google customer support service. If you prove the ownership of the phone to them, they will most likely help you unlock your device without the need of performing factory resets and erasing all data from your phone. But if you didn't succeed doing that, neither of those, then the only solution for you would be to perform a factory reset on your device. And you can do this two ways. You can do this remotely using your Find My Device feature. If you have it enabled on your phone, then you can access your device using your Google account from any other device and erase all data from it before getting access to it again. And if you don't have the Find My Device feature enabled, then you can simply perform a factory reset using recovery mode on your phone. And we have a video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go check it out. And once you perform a factory reset, it will erase all data from your phone. So if you have no other option, then go ahead and get access to your phone this way. As for me, that's all I had to say for this video. If it helped you, please leave us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.